This afternoon I might go over. The dog's bladed up on the back, in the back there, in the cage. Yeah, this afternoon I might go for a bit of a look for a pig. See how we go, as long as I got time. Should have a couple of hours of daylight there. Then I'll head up to where I'm staying for the weekend. And me and my brother are going to head out fishing tomorrow. It's calm as, so how's your luck? And hopefully we might get onto a couple of fish tomorrow. Unfortunately, didn't get the sow on video because I just, wasn't even expecting. I saw the video camera in my bag and dogs took off, which is usually all hunting up further. So what I might do, it's been a bit of noise here with the gunshot and whatnot. The good spot's only about 300 metres up there. I might just move on to the next spot and see how we go. Yeah. Dogs are keen already, again, but pulled up to this little creek and I know it goes well at times. Dogs might just get to the beams actually. Just get to the river here. Welcome to the rainforest again. A little bit of stand there. The dog's taken off this way about 120. So it's dusty, it's just here. Probably can't see that, but they're about 180 now. Ollie and Toby straight up here. They're now at the 200 mark, but look like they're coming back. They might have backtracked him as well. If they come back, I'll try and send them the opposite direction. Okay, so I thought they were coming back. I can't get in focus back at 200. Just see that direction will change. Going up into the hills up there. There we go. Pretty much straight where that's pointing. Straight up there. Dogs just hit up. I've got one straight away. 238 metres up here. Shit. They couldn't have picked a bloody steeper mountain to go over. Oh, fucking Jesus, all slippery up. Shaly rock here. So, I'll update you. I've got to go climb over this first. Okay, we're not just top dogs, we're at 60 away. Let's do it. This is a big hill. I'm hoping Toby will come up and battle if it gets too hot. I'm a bit scared. Doesn't quite have the brain power for that yet. It might have got a lay. see what happened here. So I just got little Toby boy back. They had the pig, but it busted from them. And Harley's still after it at about 690 or 700 or so. Away, Rusty's halfway between us. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Someone not making a stop here. I mean, grassier stuff, so it does make it hard down on the dogs level. Okay, Harley's straight up again. About 590 from here, which is, I'd guess, about a k and a half from where they sort of picked up scent. Trying to get a bit closer so I can get Dusty down there, and then Toby's pretty bugged, so we'll probably have to walk in with me. Down to this gully here. Here comes Toby. See if he can hold it. Dog just caught him, or her in there. Caught it right at the start, busted on after about 15 minutes trying to hold it. Harley here looks absolutely knackered because she chased it an extra K and a bit to pull it up a second time and bailed it off in here. And then yeah, Toby was knackered from holding it, so he followed me. Dusty went out the end, gave Harley a bit of a hand, and then got to see Toby come in and grab it with Harley. Very good.